Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to show you how to crochet this beautiful and super easy pattern. This pattern is made by only 2 rows and you can use that for many projects. If you're ready, let's get started. For the beginning, make a slip knot and then start chaining. The number of chains in this pattern should be a multiple of 3 plus 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and continue that until reach the desired width, and at the end add 1 chain. I made 34 chains, and now start row 1. Skip 1, 2, 3 chain as 1 double crochet and go to 4th chain from the hook and make 1 double crochet here. Now I have 2 double crochet at the beginning of this row. Skip 1 and 2 chains and go to next chain and make 3 double crochet here. 1, 2, and 3. Again, skip 1 and 2 chain and make 3 double crochet into the next. 1, 2, and 3. One more time, skip next 2 chains and make 3 double into next chain. 1, 2, and 3. And repeat this sequence until the end. Now, at the end, skip 1 and 2 chain and make 2 double crochet into last chain. 1 and 2. I have 2 doubles at the end and 2 doubles at the beginning of the row. Now, fasten off and cut the yarn and start next row with second yarn. Make a slip knot and turn the work and insert hook into first stitch here, attach the yarn and make a chain, and then make 1 single crochet into same stitch. Make 3 chain, yarn over, insert hook into same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. One more time, yarn over, insert the hook into same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through 2. I made 2 incomplete double crochets, and now yarn over, pull through 3 loops on the hook. Then go to next group and make 1 single crochet into second stitch of that. Skip the first, insert hook into second, make 1 single, and skip the last stitch of this group. Make 3 chains and 2 incomplete double crochet into same stitch, 1 and 2, and then yarn over, pull through these 3 loops on the hook. One more time, go to next group, insert hook into that, make 1 single crochet, make 3 double crochet, and then make 2 incomplete double crochet into same stitch, 1 and 2, and yarn over, pull through 3 loops on the hook, and repeat this work. Make 1 single crochet into middle stitch of each group, then make 3 chain and make 2 incomplete double crochet into same stitch and collect them together, and continue this work until the end of the row. Now I'm at the end and make 1 single crochet into these turning chains of previous row, and row 2 is finished. Now fasten off and cut the yarn and turn the work. Start next row with first yarn, make a slip knot and insert the hook into first stitch of previous row, and attach the yarn. Then make 1, 2, and 3 chain as first double crochet and make 1 double crochet into same stitch. I have 2 double crochet at the beginning of the row. Now skip this pattern, 3 chains and 2 incomplete double crochets, and make 3 double crochet into next stitch, that's a single crochet here. 1, 2, and 3. Again, skip this pattern and go to next single crochet and make 3 double crochet into that. 1, 2, and 3. One more time, skip this pattern and make 3 double into next single crochet and repeat this work and continue this sequence until the end of the row. At the end of this row, make 2 double crochet into last single crochet here. 1 and 2. And then fasten off and cut the yarn and start next row with second yarn. I made a slip knot and turn the work and attach the yarn into first stitch. Make a chain, make 1 single crochet into first stitch and repeat row 2. Make 3 chain and 2 incomplete double crochet into same stitch. 1 and 2, and yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Again, go to middle stitch of next group. Here, make 1 single, 3 chain, and 2 incomplete double crochet into same stitch. 1 and 2, and then collect them together and continue this work until the end. And at the end, make 1 single crochet into these 3 chains. And after that, we have to repeat these 2 rows, row 2 and row 3 several times until the height of pattern reach the desired size. I repeated those 2 rows and now you can see the pattern completely. This is the front view of that and this is the back view. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.